Winter's harsh elements are coming. Winter weather does a number on vehicles, but what about the equipment you use to service them? Wheels and undercarriages in some parts of the country can be caked with snow and salt from the roads, dripping corrosive grime everywhere as it melts. In this video, we talk about why protecting equipment like tire changers, lift racks, and wheel balancers from this seasonal abuse is crucial to maintaining their performance and longevity. While it's important to regularly give tire changers an inspection and cleaning, make a point to do it during the winter months. Carefully remove any buildup salt or standing water and make sure to lubricate key moving components like bead breaker cylinders, clamps, and tire changer arms. Staying on top of basic maintenance prevents corrosion and keeps things running smoothly. Immediately clean any spilled bead sealer or mounting lubricant to prevent residue from damaging seals or cylinders, especially during winter, as these chemicals can accelerate wear when combined with winter weather grime. The water separator is also a priority. Drain and flush it completely, refilling the oiler with fresh oil adjusted to the proper levels. Lift racks are especially vulnerable to the harsh winter elements. Use compressed air to regularly blow out slip plates and keep mechanisms clear of debris while doing service. Wheel balancers need regular cleaning too. Closely inspect tooling like cones, colettes, and speed nuts, replacing any worn or damaged parts to maintain balance accuracy. Remember to give pin plates a thorough cleaning and lubrication to prevent corrosion, swapping out any bent pins. Schedule a maintenance appointment with your equipment provider to nip any issues in the bud before winter's effects snowball. Have a certified lift specialist inspect cables, pulleys, and pins, and check for troublesome hydraulic leaks. An ounce of prevention now saves major equipment repairs down the road. For more tire and service videos, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'm Christian Hinton, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Garage Studio at Babcock's Media. See you next time.